Canva is already one of the most popular design platforms out there, and now it has introduced Affinity into its ecosystem. But what exactly is Affinity by Canva? And is it actually better than alternatives like Adobe or Canva's own editor? In this video, I'll quickly cover what Affinity is, its features, pros, cons, pricing, and who should actually use it. And for now, let's get started. What is Affinity by Canva? Affinity is a professional creative software suite now owned by Canva. It includes Affinity Designer for vector graphics, Affinity Photo for photo editing, Affinity Publisher for publishing and layouts. Even after the Canva acquisition, Affinity still focuses on professional desktop design tools rather than simple drag and drop editing. So think of it as Canva moving into professional creative software market. Main features: professional level design tools. Affinity offers advanced tools for photo retouching, layer editing, vector illustration, UI design, print design, publishing, and layouts. The software is designed for serious creators who need more control than standard online editors. No monthly subscription. One of Affinity's biggest selling points is its pricing model. Unlike Adobe Creative Cloud, Affinity still uses a one-time purchase system instead of monthly payments. That alone makes it very attractive for freelancers and creators trying to save money long term. Smooth performance. Affinity apps are known for being fast and lightweight. Even when working with large files, many users say the software feels smoother compared to heavier alternatives. Cross-platform support. Affinity works on Windows, macOS, iPad, and the experience stays consistent across devices, which is useful if you work on multiple platforms. Better integration potential with Canva. Since Canva now owns Affinity, there is growing potential for deeper integration between the two platforms. This could eventually combine Canva's simplicity with Affinity's professional editing power. Right now, though, they still operate mostly as separate products. Pros. Here are the biggest advantages of Affinity: one time payment, professional creative tools, fast performance, great value for money, strong alternative to Adobe, excellent for freelancers and solo creators, no forced cloud based workflow. For many users, it delivers professional features without expensive subscriptions. Cons: smaller ecosystem than Adobe. Adobe still dominates when it comes to plugins, integrations, tutorials, and industry standard workflows, so some professionals may still prefer Adobe products, not as beginner friendly as Canva. Even though Canva owns Affinity, the software itself is still built for advanced editing, so beginners may find it harder to learn compared to Canva's simple drag and drop interface. Collaboration features are limited. Canva is excellent for team collaboration, but Affinity is still mainly focused on individual creators. If your workflow depends heavily on real time collaboration, Canva may still be the better choice. Affinity versus Canva. This comparison confuses a lot of people because Canva owns Affinity now, but they serve different audiences. Choose Canva if you want quick designs, if you are a beginner, if you work with teams, and if you mainly create social media content. Choose Affinity if you need professional editing tools, if you want advanced design control, if you create detailed graphics or publications, and if you prefer desktop software. Basically, Canva is easier, while Affinity is more powerful. Affinity versus Adobe. Choose Affinity if you want to avoid subscriptions, if you need strong professional tools at lower cost, and if you work independently. Choose Adobe if you rely on industry standard workflows, if you need advanced integrations, and if you use tools like After Effects or Premiere Pro. For many freelancers and creators, Affinity can handle most design tasks without Adobe price tag. Pricing. Affinity still uses a one time payment model. You can buy individual apps separately or purchase the complete suite. Compared to Adobe subscriptions, it's usually much cheaper over time. For the latest pricing, check the official Canva or Affinity website. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Affinity better than others? If you want professional creative software without paying monthly subscriptions, Affinity is one of the best options available right now. It gives you much more control and power than Canva, while costing far less long term than Adobe. It is not perfect for every workflow, but for freelancers, creators, students, and small businesses, Affinity offers excellent value. And that is it for this review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share the video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new review.